Oh my, that sure is a nice e-bike you have there.
Thank you, Mural Lady. This is the Tripper Falcon 2 from Tripper e-bikes located in Venice, California. We're selling bikes in the shop and shipping them for free to addresses in the United States. So we'll take a quick look around the shop and we'll also look at the bikes. There's a folding lightweight moped style e-bike on the left, the FoldX, and the Falcon 2 on the right. And as we walk in the door, somebody's already ready to go for a ride. Who's a good dog? Does the doggy want a coupon code? Here you go. $300 off with coupon code Hoblin300. They've been in business since 2018, so they have a few years of experience behind them, and they do service and repair of the bikes that they sell, and they also have a large inventory of parts. So whatever part you need, should you need a part for one of these bikes, if you buy one, they've got it in stock in their shop where you can come and get it same day, or they'll ship it to you wherever you are. But you don't have to wait for them to manufacture it and ship it from China to America. It's all right here. And they also have accessories for the bikes and safety equipment. This is a really cool Bluetooth helmet that you can actually answer your phone with. It's got speakers in it and a built-in light. And an indoor showroom where you can check out the bikes, figure out which one you want, and sit on the couch and make a deal. And over there by the window is a top secret prototype that they're working on, a family size bike that will be coming soon. So look for that in the next few months. And the Falcon is their most popular model of bike. It's a moped style bike and it comes in a couple of variants. This is a single battery version. And you can see it comes with fenders. It comes with foot pegs on the back, a dual seat. The only thing that is an upgrade is that basket on the back and the rack that holds the basket. But you can see it's got multiple places on the frame where you can bolt things onto it. So you can customize it and really make it into a workhorse to do whatever you need to do with your utility bike. It has a weight limit of 500 pounds. It's made out of 6061 aluminum. There's a look at the multiple speeds and the foot pegs that come with it, and hydraulic brakes on there as well. And mag wheels, so lightweight mag wheels, actually made out of magnesium, and that fork is made by Kawasaki. I've done a full review on this bike, so you can check my channel to learn more about it. And here's a look at the dual battery version, which has a modified frame, but same carrying capacity and same other features. And their other bike is the FoldX, which is a lightweight folding bike with some cargo accessories included. So this one comes with a front basket there. You can see there's a headlight mounted onto the front of the basket. And then it's got a luggage rack in the back. It's got a suspension fork. And this bike weighs about 60 pounds. There's a 180 millimeter rotor on the back with hydraulic Tektro disc brakes and mag wheels with the motor built into the mag wheel. And you can see you also get fenders, a rear stoplight and tail light, and a luggage rack you can put more luggage on should you need it. And there's even a suspension seat post, which makes the ride a lot smoother. And here's what it looks like folded up. So this one does not have the basket on it. So it's gonna fold up smaller if you don't have the basket, and then it's gonna be just a little bit wider if you do have the basket on it. But the basket is easy to remove should you decide you don't need it and you need to put it into a small space. And you can go to the website to learn everything else about this bike. Link in description. This orange bike is actually a customer's bike that came in for servicing that's 5 years old. So after 5 years, it's still on the road running fine. And this white one actually went to Burning Man and survived and came back. But if you buy a bike, how long will it take for you to get the bike? Do they have bikes in stock? The answer is yes. This is actually a pretty big compound, and over in the back, he has got shipping containers full of bikes, as well as a remote warehouse where he's got 400 bikes. So that means if you go there or if you order one online, you'll get it quickly. And if you live anywhere from Santa Barbara all the way down to San Diego, they will assemble and deliver your bike fully assembled for free. So you don't have to take it out of the box and put it together yourself. A guy will bring it to your house ready to ride. This is what the Tripper Falcon 2 Sport e-bike looks like cruising the beach. It is a great beach cruiser. One thing a lot of people don't think about when they buy an e-bike that has spoked wheels is that spokes will get rusty after a year or two, and eventually you've got problems with the spokes, whereas these mag wheels are not going to rust because they can't. So it's designed for the beach or for really anywhere you want to cruise, anywhere you want to take your dog. Really, wherever you live, there's a place where people like to go, and it's a pain to drive there in a car, and it's fun to get there on a bike. And if you don't want to get all sweaty, then the e-bike is the perfect answer for that. Here's a little hill climbing demo. But if you're interested in this bike, they have a website where you can order it. And if you're anywhere near Venice, California, come down and look at them for yourselves. You can use the coupon code in person if you want. It's a nice little bike. A lot of fun to ride, very practical, very functional, and I like all the features that come with it. What do you think, doggy?